Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create a thumbnail inside Pixelmator Pro that I'm going to put on YouTube. So I have a theme that is basically just a white background. I always have my head on it, and whatever the little thing is that I'm talking about, I always put over in this area here. So I created this here canvas. I made it 1920 by 1080, so 1920 wide by 1080 tall. Right, because that's the YouTube thumbnail size. And I created this picture. So I just took a quick picture of me pointing over to the left. Kind of a silly face, but it works. And I'm just going to move it around kind of like that. And then I hit this little tool up here that removes the background. So hopefully it does a good job of that. It usually does. Boom. All right. So that's done. Then there's usually some cleanup I do. Come in here, hit the E for eraser, and boom, erase that, erase that. That's about all I need. And then I just held Option Command and press 0, and it like brings the canvas back to this size. Now I talked about creating lead magnets with ChatGPT. So I'm just gonna hit text, and then I'm going to do Control Command Spacebar. And I'm gonna get magnet for lead magnet. Okay, and then I'm gonna get the ChatGPT logo. So we'll jump over here. There's the actual YouTube video I'm gonna be creating. So let's go ChatGPT logo and images, and then I go to Tools, Type, Color, and then Transparent. And I'm gonna use something that's kind of like colorful. Let's use this one. There we go. Transparent background. Copy image. Go back over here and paste it. And then I also talked about this software in here called Save to Notion. So I'm gonna go grab that. Maybe it's just on my ChatGPT that I could use. There it is. Let's go like this. And just copy that. I did Command Shift 4, and it creates that little screenshot tool. All right, I'm gonna move this layer on top. I'm gonna make this bigger. Move this right up here, sorry. We'll remove the background on that. There we go. All right, so looks like there's some cleanup on that. Let me go like this. There we go. All right, perfect. So I'm gonna hit S, and then I'm gonna put a shadow behind this, kick it off a little bit, kick it to the side. Then I'm gonna grab this, do a shadow on that, kick it to the side a little bit, put some distance on it, blur it a little bit. Might need to blur this one a little bit, cool. And then this thing, I need to get it bigger. And go like that, and then bring this to the top. And then I'm going to come over here, right click, and convert into pixels. So I can add a shadow to it the way I want to. I always try to keep the shadows all the same direction so it doesn't look too funky. And there we go. Okay, so now I've got my little shapes that I want to use. So I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to go like this, and maybe I'll put this like this, this like this, and then maybe I'll do this like that. And then I'll grab all of these and go like this. And then, yeah, I kind of like that, like that. Kind of like that, like that. All right. So then I'm gonna just combine these together. I have no idea what I'm like. I just kind of go with what feels right. Oops. And then I'm gonna merge these together. Put that there. And then I'm just gonna put, I don't know. I think I'll just put that picture like that. And then they'll look at the title. And then I'm gonna make my head a little bit bigger. Go like that. Perfect. And then I just export it, and I always just save it the same file name as the video that I created, which is just easier for me. And that's it. And then I can go over here to YouTube, where I'm uploading the video, and I will just put it right here. There it is. Open. Boom. Now what's cool is you can grab the headline and drop it in here. I use vidIQ for that. And then it shows me what it looks like. And see how it shows you on like a iPad or a mobile device. And you can see if it sticks out amongst the rest. And like on the home screen, see that? You can see how it really sticks out? So it's pretty cool, right? So that's it. That's what I do to create thumbnails, and that's how I check them out. You might go check out this video too. It's how to use ChatGPT for irresistible lead magnets, plus my secret Notion tool that you'll probably want to use if you're creating YouTube videos and selling digital products and stuff like that on the internet.